To change keyboard font style on POCO X8 Pro, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate all the way down and click on additional settings. Go into the languages and input and click on manage keyboards. Select the Gboard and then go to preferences, where inside we'll be able to find the font and font size. We want to click on the font first, and then we can switch between Gboard default to system default. That way it will apply the same keyboard font as you have on your system. You can also change the font size right here. So let's adjust it like that, and then if we go back to the main settings page, we can go up and find the personalization options. In personalizations, we want to go to the fonts, and then we want to get any font from the store. Pay attention to the free ones, and if you prefer, get a free font style. So there should be some cheap or free ones in, let's say, trending. We want to get this one. And then if we apply it, it will change it for our system, but also we'll be able to see it for our keyboard. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.